Imagine this: a beast that devours mountains, crosses deserts without breaking a sweat, yet pampers you like a five-star suite on wheels. The 2026 Mercedes camper truck isn't just an RV, it's a revolution, a game-changer that fuses Mercedes' legendary engineering with unstoppable power and jaw-dropping luxury. This monster will change RV life forever. Buckle up, we're diving in. From the moment you see it, the exterior screams dominance. Built on a rugged Mercedes truck chassis, think Unimog-inspired portal axles or heavy-duty Zetros bones, this camper truck towers with aggressive, purposeful lines. The bold front fascia slices through the air like a blade, accented by LED matrix headlights that pierce the darkness. Matte black accents meet chrome highlights, while massive all-terrain tires grip any surface. Aerodynamics are optimized for efficiency without sacrificing that brutal, go-anywhere stance. It's not subtle, it's a statement. Whether parked at a luxury resort or conquering remote trails, this truck commands respect and envy. Step inside, and the world transforms. This isn't a cramped camper, it's a mobile palace. Plush Napa leather seats cradle you in the cockpit, while ambient lighting shifts moods from energizing dawn to relaxing twilight. The living area feels expansive, a convertible lounge that morphs into a king-size bed, a full gourmet kitchen with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, and espresso machine. High-end wood finishes and soft-touch surfaces surround you. Tech takes center stage with a massive curved MBUX hyperscreen. Voice-activated, AI smart, controlling everything from navigation to climate. Satellite internet keeps you connected off-grid, while roof-mounted solar panels silently power the house battery. Imagine sipping coffee as the sun rises over untouched wilderness from your climate-controlled sanctuary. Pure bliss. Under the hood roars intelligent fury. A high-torque turbo diesel inline-six, likely around 7.7 liters or enhanced, delivers over 400 horsepower and massive torque for effortless towing and climbing. It's paired with advanced all-wheel drive, portal axles for insane ground clearance, and adaptive suspension that smooths out the harshest terrain. Acceleration is shockingly quick for its size, hitting 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds despite its weight. Fuel efficiency impresses thanks to aerodynamic tuning and efficient power delivery, extending range far beyond traditional RVs. On-road handling feels planted yet agile, while off-road capability is next level with locking differentials and water-fording depths that intimidate lesser rigs. This truck doesn't just go places, it owns them. Mercedes safety technology reaches new heights here. Active brake assist, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control with off-road modes, and emergency evasion systems keep you protected at all times. Innovation shines through sustainable power solutions like integrated solar arrays, high-capacity lithium batteries, and optional hybrid assist for silent, zero-emission campsite movement. The driver assist suite includes crosswind stabilization for highway confidence and hill descent control for extreme terrain. It's built to survive the apocalypse while keeping you calm, safe, and in control. Mercedes proves that luxury and hardcore capability can coexist flawlessly. This camper truck disrupts the entire market. Traditional RVs instantly feel outdated next to this unstoppable luxury machine. It challenges elite expedition, builds like Earth Roamer, or custom Unimog conversions, but with Mercedes prestige and factory-backed reliability. What truly sets it apart is the seamless fusion of extreme off-road performance with everyday luxury. No compromises. Pricing is expected to start between $400,000 and $600,000 depending on configuration. Expensive, yes, but for those who live for adventure without sacrificing comfort, it's worth every dollar. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a new category. The ultra-luxury overland motorhome. The 2026 Mercedes camper truck isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle revolution. It shatters boundaries. blending raw mechanical power with refined elegance, turning every journey into a cinematic experience. If you're ready to escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary, this is the machine that makes it possible. RV life will never be the same. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow today. Which feature impressed you most? The insane off-road capability or the palace-like interior? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button if this beast fired you up, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Drive bold.